Hello, hello, honeybees. Sunflower the Fiber Faerie checking in with some tech help. Today we are looking at Nightbot.tv and how to join and part their channel and how to enable and disable some of their spam filters, because their spam filters are set to be very strict. So what you're going to want to do is go to the spam preferences and look at the particular part of the bot you want to fix, like the one that responds to caps or emoji or symbols, and you are going to either go to the options and fiddle with how long you want people timed out and whether or not you want something to pop up in the chat, or if it just to be a silent punishment, or if you want to have a custom message like I do. So you can see right here it says Sunflower prefers that you use caps sparingly in the chat. So there you have that. This is also where you can turn it off entirely if you want to. So all you have to do for that is disable, and there is a separate filter that responds to caps, emojis, and symbols, so you are going to have to disable all three if you want them off completely. And then if you just don't want to mess with Nightbot at all and you feel like you've messed up and you've bitten off more than you can chew, what you need to do is hit part channel. And here's why. Making Nightbot a moderator on your channel gives it it's like putting it on the VIP list to a party. It makes sure it can get in and act the way it's supposed to, but it's not what actually invites it there. I'm pretty sure what actually sends out the Nightbot signal and invites bot into your live chat while you're streaming is the part channel and join channel button on Nightbot TV. So when you go there and you log in, your Nightbot TV status should say join if you haven't joined yet. And if you want to turn it off and just not use it, you have to select it and say part channel. Okay, I hope that was helpful, and Ginger in particular, I hope this is helpful to you, and have a lovely day, everybody. Please like and subscribe, and I will see you next time.